Hey guys, it's RD Techie. Welcome to the video. We're going to be playing Flooded today on this video. And basically, this game's like you have to build up your city, but the thing is, the place always keeps getting flooded. So you got to move around and build up in a way that makes it possible for you to sustain your city even when your surroundings and your canvas keeps shrinking, right? So that is the idea here. To be working with people. Oh, thank you. Wow, Miles is very nice. Oh, well, he was talking to Henry. Never mind. I thought he was talking to us. I was like, wow, this guy's really nice. I've never seen somebody talk so nice about me. Wondering, I don't know. What are you wondering about, Miles? Maybe. Oh, what's that? How dare you ask for more money for doing the work you are doing? How dare you ask for money for like doing a better job than we expect you to do? You need to find a way to get it. It's back to the mine. No time to rest. What? I didn't hear that. Yeah. Like, race? What? I can't hear you. Beg your pardon. You need a race? What? What? You need a what? It's just, no. All right, so. Don't let the water drop below 100. Okay, so I'm building that. I'm going to build some mines. Let's go ahead and build a mine over here, here, and here. Because we don't want to build it too close to the water. That said, we don't really know where the water's going to go. Right? So I'm going to speed this up. See that? I think when it reaches here, you lose water. I mean, you lose land. More water, you know? So let's see. We're losing. We need more water. Hey, we need more water. We need more water. Oh, yeah. We need more water. Oh, it's raining. That's not gonna help you with the flooding. Build buildings. Open pit mine. I did build an open pit. Oh, is this open pit mine? Oh. Do I have to put it? Oh, I put it on the. Oh, I put it on the wrong thing. That thing. Okay, I'll destroy that. Open pit. Open pit. You kind of have to hedge your bets because you kind of want a mine that will be like possible, like it makes it possible for you to, what is this, destroy? Yeah, thank you. And then I can build another open pit mine in there. Yeah, so we did the open pit mines. Our water is being regulated, which is good. Oop. In flooded, resources are stored in warehouses, but each of them have a limited capacity. Place warehouse to increase your capacity for storing iron and other ores, as well as water tanks. Okay, gotcha. So water tanks deals with the thing. Let's go ahead and build us a warehouse on the higher plane here. All right, I'm gonna build that, and I'm also gonna build a water tank. We don't have 1,000. We do now. Water tank. I'm gonna build it like right. Okay, so we're all just a minute 30 away, roundabouts, right? I have this going super duper fast. You can adjust the speed, of course. Yes, this is the 100% speed, which actually is a minute and 8 seconds. I just like going fast in these, at least in the early stages of these games. I don't feel like there's much I can do. Oh, I need to build 2 water tanks. Okay, I'll build 1 water tank there, and then I'll also build a warehouse. What is this? 2,000? 1,000. So now here's the question. Well, it answered my question. I was going to wonder, does the inside water also flood? Build living quarters for build living well. Okay, so we got to build living quarters and well. I don't see either of those options here. So pay 4,000 ore to move all our. Oh, okay. Okay, we just need to build up our ores. Easy. Easy peasy. Look at that. Look at our monies go. Look at the water go. Brilliant. Cannot be stopped. We are unstoppable. This is not gonna be easy. My goodness. This is so not gonna be easy. Move to the next area. Okay. I was gonna say, if I'm at number 2 right now, that makes no sense. Whilst we're running out of space on the island, should we start putting buildings on top of buildings? That's absurd. No, absolutely. We better upgrade the existing ones. No way. I like the writing. I gotta say, I like the writing. Why are you obsessed with building more stuff on top of stuff? Just upgrade stuff. Let's upgrade buildings. Okay. Well, I don't know how that's gonna help when the water rises, but era unlocks buildings, enabling electricity production and storage. You will need copper to build them. Electricity produced can be used to upgrade existing buildings and technologies. Okay. Electricity. Let's go. Can I like click and drag and make them? No. You need to make copper. I know how to get copper. Waiting for that. Dun 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 dun. So this whole site is gonna go, which is fine now for now, right? We're all right with that. Oh, that's the storage. Ah, I'm an idiot. I built 2 storage battery things for the electricity without actually having anything that produces electricity. So I was like, what? Okay. I love the music. It's very chilled, but it has its own like, you better be watching, you better be careful kind of deal, you know? I think that's a pretty cool touch, right? All right, let's go here. Boom. Okay. We got 4 of those solar panels going up. Look at that. Now what? There are many ways to maintain booming economy on a okay, so we just go upgrade. Boom. And you're now being upgraded. What about you? Do you need an upgrade? Oh, why not? I'll upgrade you. Let's upgrade you as well. Oh, I can't upgrade you. What does it take to upgrade you? We need 2,000. That's about to be soon. Oh, it's nighttime, so it won't. Ah, nice touch. That is a nice touch. See, it's a solar electricity stuff only. So that's awesome. Okay, see, now you can see the power kick in, right? Like, that is pretty cool. I like that. Okay, we need copper for electricity, so I'm gonna upgrade. Oh, jeez, we're gonna lose that thing fast. So I'm not gonna upgrade that. So I am gonna upgrade living quarters level 1. Oh, I thought that was some sort of mine. Apparently, it's a living quarter. I didn't even read it. Of course I didn't read it. Reading? Who reads things, really? Right? Right? Alright, let's do this. Okay, so now it's nighttime. Let's see what I can build here. Water tank. That's fine. Let's go open pit mine. Yeah, let's get this thing mined as well, because I feel like that's going to be one of the... Can I wish I could change my perspective. It doesn't let me, like, look around. That would be a nice touch to have, because I feel like if you could turn the country, I mean, not the country, the island, right? It would be so much better. But look at that. We're kicking in electricity like there's no tomorrow. Upgrade buildings. We just need to upgrade 1 more building. So let me just go ahead and upgrade like that one there. All right, we just built it. So if we upgrade it, it's going to be like super solid. Super solid. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now we need 8,000. So for that, we need water storage more than anything. Dun, dun. All right, there we go. Oh, we didn't need that one then. I'll destroy you. Yep. Bum 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 bum. I like this music. I gotta say, it's very chilled. It's like a really nice experience where you just like relax, but at the same time, it's kind of like a true crime feel to the music. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. Expansion era. Upgrade all constructed buildings at least to level 2. Build buildings underwater mining shaft. Ooh, underwater mining shaft? Oh no! Underwater mining shaft. How do I build that? Mines or surface? Underwater or the... Oh, sweet. Those are cool. Okay. And now what do I do here? I need to build I need to make all the things upgraded. All the things. All of them. Like, geez, that's a lot of upgrades. Can't upgrade that yet. What do I need? 1,000. Oh, this is gonna take 50 years to upgrade all this. Oh, I hate that it's raining too. Is it happening? Alright, what is this? Defenses. What is this? So expansion of the island so acts as a regular Oh! Oh god, yes, we need this as soon as possible. Come on, build, build, build. Oh, good god. What is this? What is this material? Ocean? Am I getting that from here? Oh, okay. Oh, come on. Give me, I need 2 of those. Oh, I'm not gonna have enough money for 1 of those even. 15 seconds. 12. Oh, that's saved. That one's not. That one's dead. Yep. Oh, good god. Okay. This is not gonna be easy. My goodness. This is so not gonna be easy. We need all the underwater mining going as much as possible. Because if we can mine that, right, we can then upgrade anything and everything and all that. Level 2. Level 1. That's level 2. Level 2. Level 2. I now have to upgrade these as well. Come on, make me some more energy. So those are... Now I have to protect them too. That's the annoying thing. Oh, that one's gone. I've done goofed there, don't I? And then I have to protect this, and I have to... Oh my good god. How are we gonna survive this? Why isn't any of this shrinking? I should have built everything here. Wait, can I just, like... build anywhere? No, really? Obviously, surely you can't. Maybe? I don't know. Okay, come on. I need some more electricity. Bring me the electricity. 2,000? Jeez. All this production is not going to help me much, is it? Because this thing's going to destroy a bunch of these things. Like right here. My city's done. Chunks are floating in the world. For instance, when one of your warehouses is destroyed, you can collect resources by placing a warehouse nearby. Oh, okay. Let's sum up. Oh, we did. We did. Because our city got sunk. Our city got super sunked. You can build turrets. So basically, no matter what, that city center, you have to like fortify it to the point where you're never at risk of that being flooded. It is a challenging game, man, because it's like resource challenging, resource management up the top with the time, with the floods pushing in, and you have to like kind of create more and otherwise. But it's pretty cool. It's definitely got, it's very sleek because once you click it, you can see everything change and you can see the construction happening right away. There's no delay. It's very instant. And as you can see, I'm doing great with the resources. I just ran out of land, which is a resource. And that's a good commentary on the modern world, I think. But that's going to be it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you guys want to play this game, it is live right now on G.Round. Link in the description. As always, go ahead, sign up, play the game, leave a review, do the survey. You can even maybe win some amazing goodies on G.Round. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.